Hi everyone, I'm Javi and this is my first unboxing video I've ever done, so bear with me. I am going to unbox the Lord of the Rings Woobles Kit. I got it about a month ago, but since it was a collector's edition, I kind of wanted to make an event out of it. I'm still learning how to crochet, just did it a couple months ago, and I fell in love with the Woobles kits because it's just great to like stop doom scrolling on my phone. And yeah, I'm just, victim to cute things and I can't resist them. So uh, here we go with it. All right, so we have the Woobles kit here. Go ahead and open this. Oh my God. Ah, put this there. Okay, they have like that door. I should know what it is, and not the Moria door, but that magic door where they had that little lake in front of it or something, and one of the hobbits gets taken by like a octopus type thing or squid, and Gandalf saves them. I assume that's that magic door that they opened. I don't know. If not, then feel free to criticize me in the comments. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like inside. Oh, very cool. I don't know which one to start with first. Uh, maybe we'll just go like top left and then go down. Uh, sure. Oh my God, my fingers! I don't want to break the box. All right, so this is like the first one. It says like scene 1, piece E. Okay, so it does seem like it's going this way. All right, let's see what's in this. Oh, look at that! The little cute little Woobles little bag thingy, and there's a thing inside of it. All right, let's open it. Ah, the one ring to rule them all. I assume you'll like put this in here, and then you can like thread your crochet stuff on there. Yeah, it kind of fits on my index finger, or I mean, my ring finger, not my middle one, or it could probably use as a tension one of my index, but we will see. But this is cute. I love the bag. Here, I'm gonna put it back in there. I'm just gonna put that there, and then this box put here to the side is scene 1, piece 1 here. All right, here we go. This one seems to have some cave work on it. It's scene 3, piece A. Oh, maybe there's a scene 2. We'll find that soon. Scene 3, piece A, escape from Moria. Okay, so that was probably the Moria door earlier. Oh, cool. Wow, this is a pretty big bag. Very cute. Oh man. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use this for putting all of my yarn projects inside of. It's adorable. They have like a Gollum, Gandalf, Balrog, and I assume that's shoot, yeah, Bilbo. No, Bilbo Baggins. No, not him. Is it Bilbo? Well, it'll come to me soon. That's pretty awesome, and the bag is pretty nice. I really like this a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here to the side because I'm not gonna put that back in there. All right, scene 3, piece A. So I'll just put the pieces over here to figure that out. Scene 3, piece C. Oh, they kind of sew like A, B, C on there. So I got like A. And you can, okay, I'm gonna try and put this on later once I open all of these. See what's inside of here. Oh, okay. It's a accessory kit for Gollum's fish. Oh yeah, he did eat fish, just like in the movies, and I assume in the book as well. Oh, that's cute. Another custom little bag thingies. Okay, I'm gonna keep this bag. This is there. Put this over here. Scene 3, piece C. That right there. Something like blocking anything. All right. Which one should I go next? This one. Scene 3, piece B. Oh, looks like it's another. Check that out. It's the Sting. Oh, the sword that Frodo. It was Frodo. Yes, now I remember. Yes, that was Frodo. Sting, the sword that he used. Oh, this is cute. Now I can learn how to make a sword. Like a little cute piece there. So this is scene 3, piece B. Let me close the box. But I guess we can make this into a scene, perhaps. Oh, all right. Here we go. This one is scene 2, piece A, battle on the bridge of Khazad-dûm. Oh, this one seems a little bit full. Oh, it's a kit. Let's see who it is. How to Wooble, wee woobly bits. It's Frodo. Yeah, the instructions. It comes with a little card. Oh, that's cute. The little yarn, stuffing, more yarn. Ooh, a custom hook. That's really cute. Like I love these custom hooks. It's just, oh my gosh, that is just so cute. Lord of the Rings Woobles. Got a hook. I can't resist cute things. More yarn. And it comes with the entire thing, I guess, to make Frodo. So we'll be able to make him in this box. For now, I'm going to put all of these back in there so that I don't lose the components of Frodo. Put this thing in there, and I need to figure out how to shove this. Yeah, that'll do. All right, scene 2, piece A. Scene 3, scene 2. What's this? Okay, that's the first scene 2 piece. All right. Oh, it's just cute. I'm going to put this over here. All right, next one. Scene 2, piece D. Battle on the bridge of Khazad-dûm. It's a custom hook. Oh, this is adorable. Not specific to a person, but yeah, this is just a very cute. Okay, this is gonna be my main character crochet stick hook, unless I find another cuter one inside this kit. All right, so this is a 2D thingy here. So set 2, piece D. Oh, all right, so I got set 2, piece A, and D is here. Keep on going. The scene 1, piece B. Ooh, another accessory. It's the Balrog whip. Ah, yes. You shall not pass unless you're crocheted. Oh, it's adorable. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Right, this is scene 1, piece B. There we go. I'm putting that with the scene. Did I even get looking pink? All right, next one here. We got scene 1, piece A. Yeah, scene piece B. I just opened there. All right, let's see what's in this one. Ooh, it's another accessory. Gandalf staff. Oh, nice. It has like a little pattern and little wiggly thingy in there. And this is just like so freaking cute. I mean, I don't know. Gosh. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm canceling all my plans for the next couple of days, assuming I had plans to begin with. Ooh, this one has some Elvish text or runes or whatever that language is. I haven't mastered my knowledge of the language in Lord of the Rings, but yeah, this is. I think it's another kit of another person. Ooh, scene 1, piece D. It says this is the one here. All right, so Woobles. Love that it's wrapped in kind of like this shiny stuff. I'll probably keep the wrapping too. Yarn here and look at that. The Gandalf said, "Keep it secret, keep it safe." Yeah, definitely. Well, he looks a little bit angry, doesn't he? Look at him. He's like a little upset there, but it's fine because no one listens to him and he has to do all of the work. I'm gonna put this back in there so I can make him later. Ooh, and it comes with the custom hook. Gandalf, and it's blue. My favorite color is blue, so okay, I replaced the other one as my favorite hook. Gandalf, and look at this. Just look at this. Oh, very nice. Okay, putting that into that. Let's put these back in here so I don't lose what his individual pieces are. Oh my gosh, this is like I'm creating a mountain of stuff over here. All right, let's start with this one. Oh, I think it's another kit. Has like a statue. Scene 2, PC, Battle on the Bridge of Khazad-dûm. And if I'm saying that wrong, I'm so sorry. Ooh, another one. I think this one is the Balrog. Look at all that black yarn. Oh, glitter yarn. Look at that glitter. Oh, I should buy some more glitter yarn. That'd be really, really cool. Oh, it comes with everything in there. Oh, all right. I'm not going to take all of those out of there, but yeah, definitely the Balrog. The wee woobly bits. Oh, even look at the back. The stickers are even custom too. Instructions inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm very excited about these, especially with the sparkly yarn. I guess it makes it look like it's fire. Oh, there's a hook. Oh, look at this. Balrog. Let's say this is probably like the out of all of the hooks there. I mean, I like this one, but this is it's there. It's placed in a placement of maybe the top 3, perhaps. And this have like scene 2, piece 2. Oh gosh, I'm gonna like block stuff here. Oh man, there's only 2 more boxes left. But like, what am I gonna do now? Like, there's only 2 more. Did I go too fast? Oh, a 10. Okay, this is my precious. Oh goodness. Oh, it's just an empty tin, but it's gonna be filled with my stitch markers or whatever else I have that's like extra. Oh gosh, this is the only way to store your stuff, like in cute, very cute tins. Oh, my weakness. Okay, I'm gonna put this one over here with all the other good stuff. Scene 1, piece C, Ballin's tomb. Oh, so there's like these pieces over here. I'm gonna move that. All right, the very last one. Just want to like savor it a little bit, but here we go. Scene 2, piece B, Battle on the Bridge of Khazad-dûm, or Doom. I don't know how to pronounce that. Just open that. Ooh, it's another kit. See of who it is. Oh yeah, they come with like pre-started yarn, so that if you're just learning, you can just start crocheting. But I've made a couple kits so far, so it's actually Woobles is how I started learning how to crochet. So really effective tool. See who this is. Ah, Gollum. Yeah, my attempt at his voice. We will believe it. Gollum. It even has a custom Gollum sticker right there. Keep it safe. Keep it secret. Instructions inside. And there's a hook. Oh, I like this one. It's purple. And there's fish on it too. Looks like little fishes that he was consuming and eating, and skulls all over that. Look at that. Oh, that's a really cool hook. I'm gonna put that over here with my other hooks here. Let's put this back so I don't lose. Oh man, I went through all of them. Okay, let's see if I can try and build like that scene stuff. So it says like scene 2, piece B, scene 2, piece A. Oops. Yeah, and this is all of the other stuff in there aside from the ones that are in the kits. So we have like Gandalf, Balrog, Gollum, and Frodo in these boxes. And yeah, oh, look at the one ring. That's pretty cool too. I'm gonna start using this as a tension thing.